There's a powerful secret that many women overlook. A secret so simple, yet so profound. It can change your relationship, your status, your energy, and your influence. It's the kind of secret that makes people stop and stare, makes other women wonder what you have that they don't, and makes men respect your man just by looking at you. That secret is this: when you treat your man like a king, you don't lose your power. You become the queen. You don't shrink, you rise. And by showing the world that you're proud to belong to him, you raise his value in everyone's eyes, and your own value skyrockets too. This is not about being weak. This is about being wise. Being feminine doesn't mean being small. It means being smart enough to know how powerful softness, loyalty, and grace really are. Now let's talk about the problem. In today's world, there's a dangerous message being pushed. Don't give too much to a man. Don't show him too much love. Don't let him feel too strong. Make him chase. Make him suffer. Make him earn every tiny drop of affection. But what does this really do? It turns relationships into battles. It turns women into competitors instead of nurturers. It makes love feel like war instead of peace. And worst of all, it weakens your man. It makes him unsure of himself. It makes him question his worth. And when a man doesn't feel respected or supported by the woman closest to him, he either becomes cold or he begins searching for that warmth elsewhere. You don't just lose his loyalty, you lose his passion, his drive, and his ambition. Why? Because a man who's treated like a slave, like an enemy, or like a disposable tool doesn't fight to be better. He shuts down. But here's where the magic happens. The solution is powerful and simple. If you want to make your man shine, if you want people to see him and think, wow, she's lucky to have him, then become the woman that reminds him of who he truly is. Be his peace in a world of chaos. Be the calm after a storm. Be the one woman who believes in him more than anyone else. Show it, speak it, live it. When you walk beside him, don't act like you're above him or like you're dragging him forward. Walk in unity. Let others see that you're proud to be his. Let your presence speak loudly without needing to say a word. I am his and he is mine. Watch what happens next. Watch how other men start to look at him with new eyes. Watch how women respect you without even knowing why. Watch how your man starts standing taller, smiling bigger, working harder, and loving you deeper. Because here's a truth many forget. Men are not made stronger by being insulted. They're made stronger by being believed in. And when they feel like they're seen, respected, admired, and cherished by their woman, they become unstoppable. And yes, this benefits you too, tremendously. A man who feels loved and admired doesn't hold back. He pours into his woman. He protects her, provides for her, uplifts her. He starts to feel like her success is his mission, her happiness is his pride, and her presence is his crown. You'll start to notice something wild. He'll do things for you without you even asking. He'll want to make you smile. He'll want to make you proud. He'll go the extra mile just to see you glow, not because you manipulated him, but because you inspired him. That's the difference between control and influence. Control is temporary. Influence is powerful. Being a good woman to your man is not about being silent. It's not about losing your identity. It's about using your feminine energy as a gift, not a weapon. Speak softly, but carry deep wisdom. Respect him, but never forget to respect yourself too. Love him openly, but make sure your love has strength, not just softness. When you combine warmth with standards, loyalty with charm, peace with presence, you become unforgettable. And don't forget what happens when others watch you. When people see the way you treat your man, when they see how deeply you support him, how proudly you walk by his side, how happy he is just to be near you. It makes them respect him more. It makes them think, he must be special. Look at the kind of woman he has. Your value becomes his badge of honor, and his strength becomes your protection. This is what powerful couples look like. Not fighting each other for dominance, but lifting each other into greatness. You show that love isn't weak. You show that loyalty is status. You show that being all his doesn't make you less. It makes you everything. So don't fall into the modern trap. Don't play games. Don't follow advice from broken hearts that teach you to never show too much care. Instead, be bold enough to care. Be strong enough to submit. Not as a slave, but as a woman who knows her worth and her power. When you submit to love, not control, you rise higher. When you support your man, you don't lose your crown. You earn it. You become the woman he brags about to everyone. The one he respects. The one he protects. The one he never wants to lose. Because here's the truth. When you treat your man like a king, the world sees you as the queen. You walk into rooms differently. You glow without saying a word. Your femininity becomes a magnet. Your energy speaks louder than any outfit, any hairstyle, or any title. It says, I am secure, I am cherished, I am loyal. And because I chose the right man and I treat him right, I stand on solid ground. There is no better status than that. No higher level than being deeply loved and deeply respected. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine being the kind of woman who constantly argues, belittles, nags, controls, and criticizes. What happens then? Your man shrinks. His light dims. People don't envy your relationship. They pity it. And you don't rise. You get dragged down into the same negativity you create. When you treat your man like a slave, like someone beneath you, you don't become a queen. You become the slave's woman. And there's no pride in that. There's no power in that. Only bitterness. But when you reverse the mindset, when you stop fighting for control and start feeding love, you build something solid. You create a home in each other's hearts. You create a reputation without even speaking. People see the glow, the bond, the quiet strength, and they respect it. Some may even envy it, but most will admire it. And most of all, you will feel it in your heart, in your home, in your soul. So if you're a woman who truly wants to rise, to shine, to feel secure, respected, adored, and chosen, start by choosing him, and then choose to be the best woman you can be for him. Not for the world, not for ego, not for attention, but for the man who you believe in, for the man who's building a future with you. Give him your softness, give him your loyalty, give him your peace, and watch how he returns it all with strength, honor, and devotion. Because when you give your man status, you don't lower yours, you double it. You become royalty. Not because the world gave you a crown, but because you acted like a queen before you had one. And queens don't rise by fighting their kings. They rise by standing beside them. So be that woman. Be his peace, be his pride, be all his. And watch the world treat you like you're everything. Because you are. If you made it until here, leave a crown emoji in the comments. I want to see how many of you reach the end and are truly willing to finish what you start. And remember, live with honor or die a coward. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay strong.